Earlier, my speeches and presentations were filled with filler words like you knows, which made me sound really underconfident. Even if I'm saying the right things, people will not take me seriously. Now, what I started doing instead is using pause as a mechanism to navigate this. When you pause, it gives depth to your communication, and automatically your number of uhs and ums would reduce drastically. And in corporate, communication is the key, and this is a more powerful way of communicating with your audience. Talk soon.